आज हम अल्कली मेटल यानी ग्रुप वन एलिमेंट की रिएक्शन देखेंगे ऑक्सीजन के साथ, यानी हाउ ग्रुप वन एलिमेंट रिएक्ट विद ऑक्सीजन एंड विच टाइप ऑफ ऑक्साइड आर फॉर्म्ड. Alkali metal react with oxygen or air rapidly and thus get trenched due to the formation of their oxide on the surface of the metal. It is for this reason that alkali metals are stored in kerosene or paraffin oil. It means that alkali metal are very sensitive to oxygen. So when they come in contact with oxygen, they produce their oxide, the result of which their surface become tranced. Their surface become change its color. Why this change of color of the surface is due to the formation of their oxide. Lithium when bound in oxygen give mainly lithium normal oxide. This is lithium normal oxide. This is called lithium normal oxide. In the next slide I will discuss the type of oxide: normal oxide, peroxide and superoxide. So when lithium react, they produce lithium oxide, mean normal oxide. Sodium when react with oxygen, they produce peroxide, Na2O2. This is called peroxide. While the rest of alkali metal, potassium, rubidium, cesium, the rest of alkali metal react with oxygen and they form superoxide. They form superoxide of MO2 type. They form superoxide. This is the general formula of superoxide, MO2. This M is metal. Since normal oxide of alkali metals other than that of Li, yani normal oxide other than lithium cannot be formed by the direct reaction between metals and oxygen. So in simple word we say that normal oxide is directly formed only by lithium. Normal oxide is directly formed only by lithium when it directly react with oxygen. Other alkali metal form normal oxide by indirect method. Other alkali metal form oxide by indirect method. For example, by the reduction of peroxide. When peroxide is reduced, they produce normal oxide. By reduction of their nitrites, nitrates with the metal itself. It means that when the nitrite of such alkali metal, that is alkali metal, or nitrates, peroxide reduced by metal itself, means when nitrates of alkali metal react with other alkali metal, then they produce normal oxide of that metals. When peroxide of alkali metal react with other alkali metal, they produce normal oxide. For example, if we treat this is peroxide Na2, if we treat this with lithium, then lithium oxide and sodium normal oxide will be formed. Mean sodium normal oxide will be formed by indirect method. So this is the reaction of alkali metal with oxygen. Generally lithium form normal oxide, sodium form peroxide and the rest form superoxide. Now in this slide we will discuss the type of oxide. First, we know about oxide. What is oxide? Oxide is the binary compound. Oxide is binary compound of oxygen. Binary compound mean in which the second element will be other than oxygen. Or in simple word, we say that binary compound of different element in which one element is oxygen. Bi mean two. Binary compound mean such type of compound which is made from two elements. Binary compound mean such type of compound which are made from two elements. In case of oxide, one element must be oxygen. In case of oxide, one element must be oxygen. So we define oxide are the binary compound of different element in which one element is oxygen. There are different types of oxide depending upon the oxidation state of oxygen inside that compound. The first one is normal oxide. Normal oxide are those oxide in which the oxidation state of oxygen is -2. What is oxidation state? Oxidation state is simple. The charge present on an atom inside a compound. This is called oxidation state. So those oxide in which oxidation state of oxygen is -2, they are called normal oxide. They are called normal oxide. Okay. Now, normal oxide example is MgO, SO2 and CO2. In all these oxide, the oxidation state of oxygen is -2. Here the oxidation -2 multiplied by 2 means -4 is balanced by carbon, so carbon is +4 oxidation state. In MgO, oxygen is -2 while MgS +2, so the rest of the whole compound have no net charge. The second type of oxide is peroxide. Peroxide is the type of oxide in which the oxidation state of oxygen is -1. When oxygen is in -1 oxidation state, then such type of oxide are called peroxide. H2O2, Na2O2, BaO2. In all these cases, the oxygen is in -1 oxidation state. Here the oxide ion is present. Oxide ion, this is one oxygen, and this is peroxide ion, this is the another oxygen, and this is, if we see, this is hydrogen peroxide. This is the formula of hydrogen peroxide. Here one bond is between the two oxygen. One electron is shared in here. In both oxygen have same electronegativity. That is why there is no charge due to this bond. But due to this bond, this oxygen gain -1 charge because it is more electronegative than this hydrogen, and this oxygen also attract the shared paired electron in which one electron is of hydrogen, so it gain -1 charge. So in peroxide, the oxygen is in -1 oxidation state, while in superoxide are those oxide in which oxygen in -1/2, yani half oxidation state, as in the case of KO2, because K is belong to first A group, so it has +1 oxidation state. In this +1 oxidation state is balanced by 2 oxygen, so each oxygen have -half oxidation state. These are different type of oxide. So alkali metal form these three type of oxide. This normal oxide is formed only by the lithium. This oxide is only formed by the lithium indirect method, while sodium form this type of oxide. sodium form peroxide, and the rest of metal form superoxide. The rest, potassium to cesium, they form superoxide, and this oxide is formed by other element other than lithium only by indirect method. So these are the different type of oxide. Now we will discuss the reaction of these oxide with the water and dilute acid. All the oxide of alkali metals, all the oxide of alkali metal are basic in nature. All the oxide of alkali metal are basic in nature. All alkali oxides. First we discuss simple oxide. These simple oxide mean normal oxide. Only lithium form directly normal oxide. So they are simply basic oxide. All alkali metal oxide are basic in nature. They react with water to produce metal hydroxide. For example, lithium oxide react with water to give colorless solution of lithium hydroxide. We see this is the reaction of, this is the equation of lithium oxide with water. They produce lithium hydroxide, which is base. We say that lithium oxide, all alkali metal oxide are basic in nature. When they react with water, when they dissolve in water, they produce basic solution. Lithium hydroxide, they are basic. We see this is the reaction of lithium. This is the reaction of lithium with water. This is the reaction of lithium with water. They produce colorless solution of lithium hydroxide. This is the colorless solution of lithium hydroxide. When these oxides are basic in nature, so they must react with acid to produce salt and water. When normal oxide of formula X2O, X mean alkali metal, it may be lithium, it may be sodium, but normal oxide or simple oxide only formed by lithium directly. They react with acid, they produce salt and water. This is the reaction of lithium oxide with HCl. They produce salt and water. Now we discuss reaction of peroxide with water and reaction of peroxide with water and acid. All these are basic, so they produce basic solution as well as they react with acid to produce salt and water. This reaction with water, the reaction of peroxide with water, they are highly exothermic. If we react it with ice cold water and we control the reaction, that the temperature is not increases. If the reaction is done in ice cold and the temperature is controlled, so that it does not rise even though these reactions are strongly exothermic. We control the temperature of this reaction, that it can't be raised even it is produce energy. Then this type of product will be formed, means metal hydroxide along with hydrogen peroxide will be produced. But if the temperature is increases, which have more chances, generally the temperature increases, and if the temperature of this reaction increases, the hydrogen peroxide decompose. This hydrogen peroxide, it will decompose into water. It will decompose into water and it give oxygen. It decompose to water, H2O, and oxygen. This case is when the temperature of reaction is increases. If we control the temperature by applying some sort of instrument, by applying some sort of other methods, then this product will be produced, metal hydroxide along with the hydrogen peroxide. But if we can't control the temperature and the temperature increase, then the H2O2 hydrogen peroxide decompose to water and oxygen. Reaction with dilute acid. This is even more exothermic than the reaction with water. This is more exothermic, and this is more violent reaction. So in this reaction, the H2O2 produce, it will decompose into water and oxygen, and this is the metal salt. So this is the reaction of peroxide with acid. It produces salt, and this hydrogen peroxide is decomposed to water. So we say that these oxides act as a base, so they react with the acid, producing salt and water. Reaction of superoxide with water. A solution of metal hydroxide, in this case when metal hydroxide react with hydrogen when metal superoxide react with water, they produce metal hydroxide and hydrogen peroxide. But oxygen is also given up in with the release of oxygen gas, because superoxide contain maximum amount of oxygen. It contain more amount of oxygen than peroxide, while peroxide contain more amount than normal oxide. And when the superoxide react with acid, they behave like a base, producing salt, H2 hydrogen peroxide and oxygen, while this hydrogen peroxide is decomposed into water and oxygen is given up. So these are the reaction of oxide. These are the reaction of oxide with. These are the reaction of oxide with what? These are the reaction of oxide with water and dilute acid.